This beautiful, spacious looking living room, spacious kitchenette area, we must say, spacious master bedroom. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. I am Falak and we are here today at Brigade El Dorado by Brigade Developers, which is located in Aerospace Park, North Bangalore. We are going to do its 2 BHK and 3 BHK sample flat tour. Well, we are going to know a lot about the project in detail, but first let us know what is Housey. What exactly is Housey? Well, let me tell you that Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects the home buyers directly with the developer, thereby giving you a bottom rate price, means the best rate possible. Unlike other current listing platforms wherein if you do an inquiry, your number is shared to different brokers and the result is you get a lot of calls. Well, let me tell you that Housey is such a real estate platform that the listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home directly with the developer through Housey. Let us now talk about the project. So this project, Brigade El Dorado, is going to be constructed on 50 acres of land parcel having 12 towers, out of which 9 towers have already been launched, and we are going to be talking about the 10th tower, which is called Dioro and which has ground plus 22 stories, 2 BHK and 3 BHK apartments. Let me also tell you that out of these 12 towers, 1 tower is going to be completely commercial and which is also going to be having St. John's Hospital in it as well. Now talking about the location, so this is located in Aerospace Park, North Bangalore, which has Kempe Gowda International Airport just at a distance of 15 minutes drive, that is like 12 kilometers. They have Reva University, which is around a 10 minutes drive from this project. This project also has its own township, so there is going to be preschool, there is going to be multiplexes, there is going to be hospital in it as well. And then talking about different schools and colleges, so everything is at an easy connectivity of just like 10 to 15 minutes from this project. As well as if we talk about commercial spaces, so commercial spaces are also at an easy connectivity of 4 to 5 kilometers from this project. That means like just around a 15 minutes drive from this project. Well, so talking about the amenities, this project has to offer 80 plus amenities. So you can just imagine like the whole township is going to be having 80 plus amenities that includes an outdoor gym, a farm cafe, amphitheater, basketball court, skating rink, as well as you're going to be getting 2 clubhouses of 50,000 square feet each, and they are going to be the biggest clubhouses here in North Bangalore. As well as you can see the model, you're going to be getting multiple swimming pools as well and many more amenities. So yes, this is about the project. Now let's go and see how the sample flat is. Let's go. So right now we are standing outside the 3 BHK comfort of Brigade El Dorado's Dioro, which is of 882 square feet. And without any delay, let's go inside and see how the 3 BHK comfort is. Let's go. So as we enter, you can see this beautiful, spacious looking living room. Here is a 6-seating dining area that's been given. So you can just imagine how spacious the living room is, that the dining area is a 6-seater. Here the sofa area has been given. So yes, this is a beautiful looking balcony. Balcony, as I always say, is like a cherry on the cake, and wow, this is like a beautiful, spacious looking big balcony. So that's really very great, and you can just have a leisure time here and just enjoy the beautiful scenery outside. And now let's go and see the kitchenette area. Wow, this is like a huge, big, spacious kitchenette area, we must say. Stainless steel sink is going to be provided, and here as you can see a specific space has been given for the washing machine as well. So that's really very nice, and 2 sides you have, so like a spacious looking kitchen, a modular kitchen is what you can make, different compartments, lot of storage space has been given here. And here also, as you can see, a space has been given for the refrigerator as well. So that's really very nice. And now let's go and see the bedrooms. How are the bedrooms? And now let's go and see the bedroom number 1. But before bedroom number 1, you can see there's this nice passage area, ample passage area that's been given here, and they very beautifully customized and use this place for like obviously like a storage or anything. You can use this. And these are the two bedrooms. So this is bedroom number 1. Let's go and see how the bedroom number 1 is. It's a beautiful looking spacious bedroom. Here a wardrobe space has been also given, so you can just customize and make a wardrobe as per your requirements. Half French windows have been given here for a good ventilation. Here this space has been utilized, maybe for a study also you can utilize this space. And now let's go and see bedroom number 2. But before that, there is a common washroom for both these bedrooms, and yes, this is like a spacious looking common washroom that's been given. Anti-skid tiles have been given. High-end sanitary fittings have been given. Half window is given here for a good ventilation. So that's really nice, obviously, and that's important too. So yes, nice spacious washroom, I must say. Now let's go and see the bedroom number 2. This is a cute looking bedroom number 2. This is spacious enough as well. Here also, as you can see, half French windows have been given. And yes, here you can make your own wardrobe. This is obviously like for a sample it's been made, but you can, customize it as per your needs. And now let's go and see how the master bedroom is, which is bedroom number 3. But before that, let us know what does Housey actually do for us. Well, let me tell you that in Housey, you get to know the actual location tour. You get to know the sample flat tour as well. We give you the 360 degrees virtual project tour. Wow, what can be better than this? Apart from this, we also let you know the pros and cons of every project. We also let you know the all-inclusive pricing, inclusive of EMI and down payment details. And after this, if you like the project, if you want to see the project, then in 3 simple clicks, you can book your free site visit. So yes, by clicking on the link mentioned in the description, you can quickly go and book your free site visit. And now let's go to the master bedroom. Wow, this is like a beautiful looking spacious master bedroom is what I can say. It's nice, spacious. Half French windows have been given, and here as you can see, like a dressing table kind of this thing has been made, so you can also customize and make it as per your requirements. And here on our left is the wardrobe, as you can see. So this also you can just customize and make it as per your requirements. And now let's go and see the washroom. So as you can see, this is a nice looking spacious washroom that's been given here. Ventilation, windows have been given for ventilation. High-end sanitary fittings have been given. Anti-skid tiles have been given. So yes, this was a 3 BHK sample flat tour of Dioro by Brigade El Dorado and by Brigade Developers. How did you like the sample flat tour? Let us know in the comments section. Also, if you like the project and if you want to book your site visit, you can just go and register yourself on Housey.com. And also, you know the drill, subscribe to Housey for more updates. But before going, let me also tell you that if you want to download the e-brochure of this project, you can just click on the link mentioned in the description. I will meet you in another video.
Pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.